Hi viewers, welcome to JSM. In last videos we discussed what is ionization enthalpy and what are the factors which affecting on ionization enthalpy. In this video I am going to explain variation of ionization enthalpy in groups and periods. So what happens in ionization enthalpy in groups? Let us see first. Okay, for example, if you take first year group elements, they are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So from lithium to cesium, so when you observe the atomic size, what will happen? Atomic size from lithium to cesium increases. Atomic size increases. When atomic size increases, nuclear charge decreases. When atomic size increases, nuclear charge what will happen? Decreases. From here to here, nuclear charge decreases because size increases. So when size increases, nuclear charge decreases, the amount of energy required to remove that outermost electron is very less. That's why what you can say, from lithium to cesium ionization energy decreases. From lithium to cesium ionization enthalpy decreases due to, what is the reason here? Due to atomic size. Atomic size increases. When atomic size increases, effective nuclear charge what will happen? Decreases. When effective nuclear charge decreases, okay, ionization energy also decreases. So let us see second year group elements: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Here also from beryllium to barium, what will happen? Size increases. Size increases. So when atomic size increases, so nuclear charge, what will happen? Nuclear charge decreases. When atomic size increases, nuclear charge decreases, the amount of energy required to remove outermost electron also decreases. Okay, that's why beryllium to barium ionization energy what will happen? Decreases, because what is the reason here? Atomic size increasing from beryllium to barium and nuclear charge decreasing from beryllium to barium. Okay, that's why ionization energy decreases. So let us see third A group element. Third A group elements. So when you take the third A group elements, they are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. So here what we can expect? The expected order is, because from beryllium to thallium atomic size increases, nuclear charge decreases, that's why we can expect the order. So beryllium greater than aluminium, greater than gallium, greater than indium, is greater than thallium. That means from top to bottom in this third A group, okay, ionization enthalpy decreases based on the size. We are explaining that. So this is just expected. Actual ionization enthalpy order. Okay, here to explain this, so gallium, so before the gallium, so yes, scandium to zinc elements are there, 21 to 30. So this is belongs to 3D series. Scandium to zinc, we are calling this is 3D series. After this 3D series, gallium is present. So in 3D series, 3D orbital is present. So this 3D orbital having poor shielding effect. Poor shielding effect or poor screening effect. Due to that poor shielding effect, there is a nuclear charge increases in gallium on outermost electron. So due to the poor shielding of 3D orbital electrons, there is an increased nuclear charge on outermost electron of gallium. So that's why gallium shows high ionization energy than aluminium. That's why what we can write here, Boron to aluminium, ionization enthalpy decreases. Aluminium to gallium, ionization enthalpy increases. Gallium to indium, as it is, ionization enthalpy decreases based on the size. But when come to the thallium, what will happen here, you see. So before the thallium, so we have 4F and 5D series element. Okay, before the thallium we have 5D series element. So then before that 4F series F block elements are present. Because of that, poor shielding of, so here also poor shielding is present of 4F orbitals. So because of poor shielding of these electrons, what will happen? Increases the nuclear charge on the outermost electron in thallium. So because of that reason, so because of increased nuclear charge on outermost electron of thallium, what is the reason here? Due to the poor shielding of f orbital. Poor shielding of f orbital. Then what will happen here? Nuclear charge increases. When nuclear charge increases, ionization enthalpy what will happen? Increases. That's why compared to indium, thallium shows more ionization enthalpy. So that's why we can write here boron greater than aluminium, aluminium less than gallium, then gallium greater than indium, then indium less than thallium. Then finally we can write a actual order, that is boron, thallium, then gallium, then aluminium, then indium. So this is the actual order of third A group elements ionization enthalpies. Let us see fourth A group elements. Fourth A group elements. Fourth A group elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. So when you expect that, what we can expect here, from carbon to lead, as the size increases, ionization enthalpy decreases. What is the expected order here? Expected order is carbon to lead, what will happen? Ionization enthalpy decreases. This is the expected order, but actually what will happen? Actual order. So what will happen here? So when see the lead, here before the lead, so we have 4F series and 5D series elements. Okay, so because of 4F orbital poor shielding effect, poor shielding of 4F orbitals, poor shielding of 4F orbitals. So due to this poor shielding of 4F orbitals, so there is a increases in nuclear charge. Okay, nuclear charge increases on outermost electron which are present in the lead. When nuclear charge increases on outermost electron, ionization enthalpy what will happen? Increases. So that's why compared to the tin, so lead shows more ionization enthalpy. That's why the expected order is, okay, this is the expected order. Then what is the actual order here? Carbon, silicon, germanium, lead and tin. So why here lead showing? Why here lead has more ionization enthalpy? That is due to the poor shielding of 4F orbital which is present here. Okay, because of poor shielding of 4F orbitals, there is a nuclear charge increases on outermost electron. When nuclear charge increases on outermost electron, to remove that outermost electron, more and more amount of energy required. So that's why here ionization enthalpy more in lead than the tin. So this is the correct order in 4th A group elements. But when come to the remaining groups, that is 5th A, 6th A and 7th A, the order is based on the atomic size. There is no exception conditions. That means from top to bottom in a group, as atomic size increases, nuclear charge decreases, then ionization enthalpy also decreases. So remember, this 3rd A and 4th A has exception conditions. Let us see in periods. Okay, in periods what will happen? in ionization enthalpy from left to right in a period. So let us take second period, that is from lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So what is the expected ionization enthalpy order here? What is the expected one? So we can say from lithium to neon in a period, the size of the atom decreases. When the size of the atom decreases, nuclear charge increases. When the nuclear charge increases, ionization enthalpy increases. That is the expected one. Okay, lithium to neon ionization enthalpy increases based on the nuclear charge and atomic size. So but here, what is the exception conditions? Beryllium shows more ionization enthalpy than boron. This is one exception condition. And nitrogen shows more ionization enthalpy than oxygen. So that is because of completely filled configuration and half-filled electronic configuration. So let us see the configurations here. So if you see the beryllium 1s2, 2s2, boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. See the boron here, one electron present in the p orbital. Okay, here in s orbital, completely filled electrons are present. So completely filled electron containing one is more stable, as we know that. So this is more stable than incompletely filled configuration. So this one is incompletely filled configuration, this one is completely filled configuration. Completely filled configuration is more stable than the incompletely filled configuration. So that's why to remove electron from completely filled configuration, more amount of energy required, more ionization enthalpy required. So that's why we can say beryllium has more ionization enthalpy than boron. So when come to the nitrogen and oxygen, so nitrogen electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So when you observe here, 3 electrons are present in the p orbital. That we can say this is off-filled configuration. This is off-filled configuration. So when you observe in oxygen, 4 electrons present in p orbital. How many electrons here? 4 electrons are present. So this one is said to be incompletely filled. Incompletely filled configuration. Always we can say off-filled configuration is more stable than the incompletely filled configuration. That's why here this is more stable. This one is less stable. Okay, from stable configuration there is very difficulty to remove electron. That's why more amount of energy required. That's why nitrogen shows more ionization enthalpy than the oxygen. Okay, so that's why we can write actual order is lithium, here beryllium. So lithium less than beryllium, beryllium greater than boron, then boron less than carbon, carbon less than nitrogen, nitrogen greater than oxygen, and oxygen less than fluorine, and fluorine less than neon. This is the correct order of ionization enthalpy in second period. Let us see third period. So third period elements are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. So these are the elements present in third period. Okay, so here expected order is, so what we can expect here? Expected order is, as we know that in a period from left to right, when atomic size decreases, nuclear charge increases, then ionization enthalpy also increases. That's why expected order is this one. So this is the expected order. So but what will happen actually? So actually magnesium has high ionization enthalpy than aluminium. This is an exception. Phosphorus has more ionization enthalpy than sulfur. So what is the reason? Let us see here. So when you see the electronic configuration of magnesium, so it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So totally 12 electrons present in the magnesium. So let us see for aluminium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. So when you see the outermost shell in both atoms, here 3s2, here 3p1. In the 3s2, here it is completely filled electronic configuration. In aluminium here 3p1 means 1 electron present in the p orbital. So this is incompletely filled. This one is incompletely filled. This one is completely filled. So always completely filled configuration is more stable than the incompletely filled. Okay, completely filled configuration is more stable, then incompletely filled configuration is less stable. That's why to remove outermost electron from completely filled configuration, more amount of energy required. So means here magnesium requires more energy to remove outermost electron. That's why magnesium has high ionization enthalpy. So when we compare the phosphorus and sulfur, so here also phosphorus electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Sulfur electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So when you observe the configurations here, in the p orbital of phosphorus, it contains 3 electrons. When sulfur, it contains 4 electrons in p orbital. So this is said to be completely filled configuration. This is said to be incompletely filled configuration. This is completely filled configuration. This one is incompletely filled configuration. So we know that completely filled configuration is more stable than the incompletely filled configuration. So this is more stable. This one is less stable. Okay, as we know that to remove electron from more stable configuration, more amount of energy required. That's why phosphorus has more ionization enthalpy than the sulfur. Then correct order is here. Actual order is sodium less than magnesium greater than aluminium, aluminium less than silicon, silicon less than phosphorus, and phosphorus greater than sulfur, then sulfur less than chlorine, chlorine less than argon. This is the actual order of ionization enthalpy in third period.